1,000 puzzles. 1,000 pieces.
No, it's only 1,000. 1,000.
1,000.
1,000 pieces.
So we're playing a puzzle, 1,000 pieces. This is the pattern.
It's gonna be by the Suzy too.
My homemade matcha, creamy matcha vanilla latte with ice cream. I drink it already. Apple.
Jars. Yeah. For you guys and whatever. Yeah, some of these are, I mean, yeah, they got a few imperfections, but man, they're nice.
Okay, put them in quarters.
Yeah.
Okay.
Making applesauce.
And you're gonna boil them.
Oh, we're gonna boil them too? Yeah.
Oh, this looks good.
You got the core out?
Clean, cut, boil, and then we'll sauce them with the saucer.
Well, we're gonna have apples. I'm not sitting there wasting any time. I mean, I'm just kind of cut off the side of the core.
The walls, like 100 feet of walls on the top floor, which are spray foaming, so they have to take them all down and reset them. They're all plumbed.
Wow!
Or put it on the grill.
Almost
If she needs a little burner,
done.
they'll probably just do it on the grill.
I do it the opposite lot.
Whoa.
First and get it kind of brown, and then I'll put a little water in.
We're making. Wow!
Yeah, you want that crispy? You can get it.
Like this only?
Yeah, just a little with your hands, I think. That should be good enough. And then we're gonna, let's see, I might need another kettle.
Might need a kettle. Getting all the things on. Then we got some jars, and then we got our whole little Apple device getting set up here.
No, they don't. They don't want one.
Did Ron and Ing get that one they were gonna get?
I don't know if they ever did or not.
Side quest for sausages going on over there.
These have some pink threads running.
I got peaches at, Aaron got a box of peaches done at Bob's Produce Ranch. And then canned some of them.
Because sometimes you get peaches in there.
Aaron, you wanna maybe, you could add some more apples to this if you want.
Add a couple more, just drop them on top.
Yeah,
Okay. Are we taking from here?
whichever one's, yeah.
Yeah, the ones with the skin on. So you take some apples like this, and then you just bring them over here, and drop them in here. Brah!
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Jane, have you
It's
ever
fine.
had apple crisp?
Not. No.
Okay, well this will be.
This
new
will
then.
be my first time.
Yep. Might be a very American dessert. Yeah. In the fall.
Apple
In the
crisp.
fall, when the apples are delicious and abundant.
Fall, hot dogs.
Apple crisp and Chevrolet, or Ford, I don't know which one. Chevrolet.
Brad wore his draft 8 t-shirt to the dog test.
Yep.
And there's a lot of North.
This is
People in Anoka know where Dolbo is.
this is butter,
Or
flour,
even,
That's
Butter,
okay.
flour,
yeah.
oatmeal.
Yeah.
oatmeal.
Some people
People that say, where's
Yeah, that's
that?
and a little salt.
They don't need to know either.
Yeah, keep them.
Right.
They can stay home.
Yeah.
They can all just stay home.
We came to your house from the other side instead of that side.
You mean from town? Or from, on 14th?
Moon Lake, you want to, Moon Lake Road?
No, other side.
By the
where-
schoolhouse?
We came by Trent's and down 40.
Oh,
That way,
32.
okay.
And saw a whole bunch of new homes.
Yeah, the smallest house goes for 307, I think. It's a one-car garage. We got at Jenkins Meat Wrap.
Where is that?
This guy that works with Jason, he's in the Safari Club International. He went on this hunt where I don't know what they are, some kind of rusa deer.
You should do it.
Have you heard of him before?
No,
Shot a world record.
he did.
Shot the world record.
Oh my gosh. By rack or weight, how's it go by?
Backside.
Well, when Jane says, oh, it means a good thing.
Means okay.
It means okay. We were with Philippines and Jane kept going on the phone. We're going, okay, now what's wrong?
Well, Brad used to work with a guy named Mike Skelly, and it drove him crazy.
Keep going.
Well, I gotta turn the pan or something maybe now.
No, just take.
You just gotta use that and then, yeah, spread her
It's
out.
nice and pink. Don't
Yep.
you love that?
Oh, I keep spilling. Can I use that for a minute?
Yep.
My mom is on top of her mom.
Working the hand crank.
My dad is on top of his.
Are you doing more apple?
Well, I won't even be with my parents, but I guess we're dead anyway, so what's the
Yeah.
difference?
I sort of wanted mine
You can, honey, if you want to.
scattered.
That'd be weird. Why are you peeling them? I thought you just cut
No, we
them.
don't peel them.
You don't need to peel them.
Oh,
That's why I asked
That was
her, are you
the
doing,
apple
are you an apple crisp again? She said, yeah.
my brain is packed with apple crisp.
Well, it's all over there. It's gonna be good.
Okay.
I was still thinking apple crisp.
Still got some more to go.
Take
So-
a break from that.
I'm gonna put them in here, I guess.
Thank
Little sugar and cinnamon.
How old is Aileen? 91?
91, I think. Oh, how long we should process it.
What do you mean process? I mean,
Okay, I'm not liking. This is gonna be more difficult than things that pour easily.
Really?
Yeah, because it's so thick.
Too thick.
I don't think I wiped that one off. I like doing one at a time because
Like a volcano.
Jeepers, stop it!
It kind of reminds me of Yellowstone.
Yeah, a geyser or a volcano or something.
Paint pots or whatever they're called.
Oops.
Like a social hour.
I don't really care why.
No.
Live there. Right.